Yo, this is Chris, and today we are doing some Loot Crate unboxing times 3. I've been holding on to these 3 boxes for the past month. I went back home, so I couldn't really unbox them when I first got them, but I ended up getting another crate and another crate, so I got 3 crates to open. I have the Loot Crate DX, I have the regular Loot Crate and the Loot Gaming. So you saw my previous video, I did the Sanrio crate. So now we're doing like these other gaming regular crates. We're gonna open the smaller crate. I think this is the regular loot box. All right, let's find out. Here it is. I feel like when they shipped these, some of them were kind of opened. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that with their crates, but mine was kind of open. It was really easy to take off the tape. Ooh, we got a Star Wars thing background right here. I see something that I like already. So the first item we have is a Pharah Cute But Deadly figure. The quality of it's not bad. Next item, I'm gonna go for it because it's a t-shirt and I see Destiny 2. All right, we have a Destiny 2 ship here. And this is a women's, I guess large. I like being super baggy, but I feel like this is too small. I should have gotten a men's size. I'm not a big fan of pins, so I don't really care for it. We have a Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Oh, 2018 calendar. Guardians of the Galaxy 2 is a good movie. We have a comic book, Star Wars Adventures. Is it just one? Yeah, I'm very picky when it comes to comic books. I don't really read comic books anymore like I used to. I don't really care for this comic book. Plus they're always all over the place, so I'm not sure if this is gonna start from, I don't know where this is gonna start, but it's okay, it's not bad. Well, I guess that's it. We got the Loot Checklist exclusive Destiny 2 shirt, Star Wars Adventure graphic novel, the retro rocket metal pin, and 1 mystery loot drop, which was the Overwatch figure. It just dropped that on me. So this is okay. I don't really care for the pin, the comic book, or the calendar. I like the shirt and I really like the Pharah figure, so this is okay. Next box we're gonna open is the Loot Gaming. So this is all about video game collectibles or items. Okay, I had this open already, I think I had this open. I can't open the box. I'm no longer strong. Here it is, the plunk. Oh, I've got another little figure from BioShock, the Big Daddy vinyl figure. It's a Loot Crate exclusive, but I got Big Daddy. What is this? So we got a Call of Duty shirt. This is, I think I said large. I should have gotten men's because I want it to be very baggy. We have something from Wolfenstein. I still need to play Wolfenstein. Oh, is this a whistle? I think it's a whistle. Another pen that I don't really care for. Oh, a tank pen from Gears of War. We have a Gears of War plush. Is this for like hanging in the car? For a pet toy! What is this? A $10 gift card to VRV Premium. It is a new video experience and the home of your favorite channels. Crunchyroll, Shudder, Funimation. Oh, not bad, Rooster Teeth. Cool. So it's giving me $10 gift card. I might use this. And I think we have a poster, a Wolfenstein poster, it looks like. Yep. We have a Wolfenstein poster, which I could add to my wall after I play the game. This Loot Crate is okay. Okay, I guess the highlight was again the shirt and the vinyl figure. On to the next. So we have a bobblehead of Vault Boy. Let's open this up. Look at that. This big one here. Battlestar Galactica. I'm not a fan of Battlestar Galactica, guys. Don't hate me. I'm not a big fan. It looks cool. So it's a Cyclone Raider 4.5 Scar Titan. So I have the Arrow hoodie for your car ornament. I don't have a car. I don't think I will ever have a car. Thank you, student loans. So I don't really care for this. I'm not gonna use it. Oh, we have a Superman and Batman. Superman times Batman wallet. Oh, I thought it had money in it. I was like, what? This is the best Loot Crate. Environmentally friendly wallet. So this is it. It does feel a little cheap because it's made of paper, but it's not bad. So the next item we have is the Jessica Jones, another figure. It looks cute. It's better than the other things that I've gotten so far. This is the best item from all the boxes. This is cool. This is a Freddy Krueger chopstick glove. Oh, it's this way. So I've been practicing my chopstick skills because one day I want to go visit Japan and South Korea. Actually, I don't like this to be at the top. I'm more of a, I like controlling it from the top. Wait, can you take these out? No, you can't. You can't? Wait, so how are you supposed to use these? My hands are weird. I don't think I could even use these. They're slippery. They're steel. I like wooden. No, I thought this would be something useful. I can't do it. How are you supposed to put your fingers on these? That's what she said. Wait. I can do it. Oh, no, I feel like it's awkward. Okay, this is a big disappointment. These chopsticks are not that workable for me. Now I'm sad. This has become a very sad Loot Crate unboxing for me. So that is all for this big Loot Crate times 3 unboxing. I just threw that wallet and it just flew across the table. This is so funny. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got to see what's in these Loot Crates. And if you want to get a Loot Crate, hopefully this video helps you decide. Stay tuned on my Instagram and my channel for some of these giveaways. I'm gonna probably get the ones that I'm not gonna use. Maybe you'll find it useful and give them away. So stay tuned on my Instagram. It's at Chris Rocks. It's like right down there. You can find me there. Or on Twitter, you can find me everywhere. I'm like a ghost. I'll be everywhere. I'm gonna use this as my weapon to command you to subscribe. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and you give it a thumbs up. And if you get a thumbs down, boy, then why did you make it to this part of the video? Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Yeah.